Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi 12T and Xiaomi 12T Pro. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. In the box you will find on top here another white box, and if you turn it and open it you will find here always the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings and remove it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, on this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards. One on the top, and if you want, a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It is always written here in the middle. Huh? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this here. Press it well, that's well inserted. So, this is how it should look like then here. So, with a missing corner on the missing corner. And the contacts, as you can see, they are on the top. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card on the other side, as I have said. And the same thing. Just place it like this. So insert it well. Sometimes you will hear a click noise, sometimes not. But important is it's well inserted. So this is how it should look like then after. And also here missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are also here on the top. Okay. And if you're ready with your construction, just put it back into the SIM slot. So the first SIM card is always on the top. Huh? So close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.